I just finished attending Ken Rola's workshop on raw foods, and I am so excited about this workshop. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be recommending that to all my clients, and to see Ken on how to put together foods, on how to have a lifestyle that is healthy and preventative in terms of diseases. Well, Ken did such a phenomenal job. He had all kinds of foods. He taught us how to put foods together, how to food combine. He taught us how to sprout. He taught us about raw juices and the benefits of raw juices. He really did put it all together in such a wonderful way. He served us food so that he showed us that not only could we be healthy by eating raw foods, but we could actually really enjoy it and have it taste phenomenal. And he taught many different things. He taught how to transition out of a SAD diet, a standard American diet. He showed us how to transition, how to move from that type of a diet where you're eating lots of meat and cooked food, and transition into a more raw food lifestyle. And he just did such an excellent job. He showed us the type of supplements, what kind of supplements can be taken to benefit ourselves. He talked about detoxification with the human body and what kind of supplements to take that would benefit that. He gave us just so much information. I would recommend anybody to take his course. I would also recommend anybody to get his DVD and share it with family and friends. One of the things that we're seeing, and I do natural health care consulting myself, and one of the things we're seeing is so many people getting chronic degenerative diseases, and really the way to go isn't how to reverse those, but the way to go is how to prevent them. And I think what Ken Rola is doing in the arena of education is so key and so important. So I just want to recommend it to everybody.